Hello everyone, today I will show you how to increase and decrease brightness in DaVinci Resolve. And here's how it is done. I just added a clip to my timeline that I'd like to adjust the brightness. Let's begin by selecting the clip on the timeline. Then navigate into the Color tab. On the left side, click the small circle icon which looks like a bull's eye to open the Color Wheels panel. Below the Color Wheels, click the 2 button. You should now see settings for both shadows and HL, which stands for highlights. To increase brightness, hover over the shadows or highlight settings and drag to the right. You may need to adjust both settings to achieve the look you are going for. On the other hand, to decrease brightness, drag the shadows and highlights to the left instead of the right. You might also want to increase the color boost slightly to add more vibrancy to your shot. And that is everything you need to know about how to increase and decrease brightness in DaVinci Resolve. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.